Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 431, find mirror score of a string. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. So this one, yeah, it's pretty okay. I actually got a wrong answer on this because I misread this. For some reason, I thought you were supposed to, I misread this, and this is kind of a retro, right? If you're only looking at explanations, it's fine, just skip forward a little bit. But I thought that for each eye, we look for the J that is coming up. Instead, it is for every eye, we look at the J that we looked at. So that's why I kind of misread. Though that's not where I got a wrong answer. It's because I misread. I had to change it up really quickly. And when you watch the live portion, you'll see that I changed up very quickly. That I forgot to double check that when I did it the other way, I wanted to double check, but I just forgot that I had to mark both I and J or unmarked. And honestly, it looks kind of more obviously here, but before this is my thing. So then here, I know that is a very subtle UI difference, right? I just made the font smaller, but what happened was that my looking was like here and here, right? Like I'm focused on the middle of the screen, and I think I just missed this part, which I don't know. Sometimes it happens, even though it is in bold. I just didn't. I don't know. Sometimes when you're trying to go really fast, that's what happens. But it's kind of funny. I just noticed this now because I made it bigger for you at home, and I'm like, okay, well, this is actually staring me in the face. So, but sometimes this is life. You get unlucky by a couple of inches. Anyway, but yeah, as we saw, there are a couple of ways you can do this. You can actually just mark things, right? And then keep on looking. But the idea is that you can have a stack of the previous time you've seen something, and that's it. And that's basically the way that I end up doing it, right? I keep track of all the indexes corresponding to the character and index that they appear. And here, this is just to get the mirror thing, right? So this gives me a number from 0 to 25. I subtract that from 25, and then I turn it back to a character. And then if that character is greater than 0, then we pop on the index, right? That means that, because we always add to the end, so that means that the last number we added will be the closest number, and then we add the score to the index. Yeah, and then else we just do this, and that's pretty much it. Because basically, if we put things in indexes, that means that they're unmarked, right? So that's why I could just not put it in the indexes. And when I don't put it in for index for I, then well, we won't use that in the future. So that's basically the idea. Otherwise, if we don't find a match, then we just put it in the future, right? That's basically it. And my incorrect code, if you're wondering, I just misread this. So like I wrote with intentionally, I wrote it this way, and it just happened to be wrong. So I don't know. I wish there was an example on the that caught it, but it is what it is. But yeah, this is going to be linear time, linear space to do this, linear time because of looking at this way. I mean, everything is all of one, right? It's not even amortized. It's just straight up all of one. So this is all of n time, all of n space, linear time, linear space, and that's it. Yeah, just keeping track of the previous time you see things and just pop them off. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and you could watch me solve it during the contest next, which for this one you could see me like do it, solving another problem, correcting it, and then made a wrong answer as a result because I was like, oh, now I'm really behind. So it is what it is sometimes. But yeah, you can watch that live now. Okay, good. Okay, we're in business, boys. Okay. String S, mirror of a letter, A is Z, okay, fine. All characters are unmarked. Score of 0, S left from right. Yeah. Find the closest J, then mark both of them, adding the score. Okay. I mean, this looks like an n square thing. Of course, n square will be too slow, but in theory, it will be n square, right? So then now, okay. Yeah, okay. So then now for x index C. Yeah. so then the mirror is equal to so that's from 0 to 25, and 25 minus this, and then yeah, you could probably cancel some of this stuff out, but I don't know. And then yeah, okay, so then now oh, actually I want this to be a deck, and then now while length of indices of m is greater than 0, and so if m, the first element, is less than index, then we just, and then now, so then now this is going to be the next element. Okay, so we need a score, and we need a marked. Okay, and then basically, yeah, if length 0, then so this mark of this is equal to true, and then we add I minus j. Isn't that a negative number? Oh, I misread this one. J is the, oh no, I did it backwards. Okay, j is smaller than I. Why would you? Okay, fine. So it is the closest number that we've seen, right? So then it's just that's actually annoying. Okay, fine. I actually misread this one. Okay, that's fine though. Okay, so then now and then that's it, right? Actually, we never need this. We need this to be Actually, we probably could just pop from it, and then that's it. We don't even need this. And then now we score, we add it by index minus j, and then return score. I think this should be good, but I'm rushing it a little bit though. Well, okay. Z should be A, right? Okay, let's see, CM, just to make sure that this matches. AZ, okay, so everything should be good. But then now, oh, I didn't add in stuff because I forgot. So indexes of C, append index afterwards. 50, okay, we're Gucci. I watched it a little bit because I wasn't sure, but why am I wrong? Because we pop, it should be good, right? That's actually pretty bad. This is silly. Oh, we marked both. Okay. Oh man, I misread this. I was thinking about that's the case, but then for some reason I don't know, I just didn't read it correctly. It's the short answer. Okay. What a silly mistake. Just misread it. Or like I was looking for it, but then I don't know. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this problem, the explanation, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.